hang time, ringlets. Like, look at that. Those are full-on grown curls. Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. We do a lot of reviews, makeup tutorials, easy makeup applications. You know, anything beauty related is what we do here. Of course, if you guys are returning, what's up? I figured I would go ahead and do a nine-month update on growing out my hair. So you guys that have been with me for, you know, from the beginning, I had shaved sides and did that for about a year and decided I wanted to start growing out my hair. So yeah, it's been about 9 months since I've been growing out. I think I did a 3-month and a 6-month update. And now I feel like because there's been a lot of growth since the last update video that I would update you guys on, you know, a 9-month update. So yeah, let's get started. I think this length, 3 months in, it was at a length where I just wanted to shave it and cut it off and just start over again. And then it was fine for a few months, but now I feel like at 9 months, it's at that length again where I am so sick of it. I want to cut it. It's just growing out in weird ways. I did have Lynn do my hair, Linwood of Glamfam, right before he left the salon. I want to say it was in June or July when we colored the rest of my hair because the sides were all grown out and they weren't blue. I'll look it up after I get off of here, of course. I did not go and look and, you know, I'm not being a good YouTuber, basically. I didn't do my research. So we did a really, really good cut because there was just parts that were all grown out and crazy. And then well, I say we, but he decided that we weren't going to put any more bleach on the top of my hair, which is probably why it's growing so fucking long and fast and crazy. And we just bleached the sides and put some blue on the sides so that my head was all blue and not just, you know, like because you could still see my blue mohawk and just, but anyway, it looked a lot better right after we did it. And like I said, he cut a lot of it off because it was just weird lengths. My hair grows really quickly on like these portions here, which you can probably tell that these portions are just sort of long and weird. And then I have like this weird patch here right in the back and middle that sort of grows like a damn tail. Those parts grow fast all the time and constantly need trimmed. I probably will need to get a hold of Lynn and beg him to do a trim on my hair because he's no longer in the salon. If you guys didn't know that, he is in full-time teaching and not doing hair anymore, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and try to convince him to give me a little bit of a trim because it's getting hectic in this place. So I feel like there's been a lot of growth since I got it colored. Now he took the color basically down to my scalp, didn't leave very much rootage at all because we knew we were gonna be growing it out. And you can see like on these portions here, like I'll show you here, how far that has grown out already. You can see the blue on the end here. It sort of stops here. And all this is new rootage, new growth. So yeah, it has grown a lot in the last just 3 months or so. I don't know if it's the humidity in the air and this Texas heat is moist and making my shit grow faster. But I feel like from then until now, it's grown a lot. And yeah, so I have just been trying to style it as best as I can. Like I said, it's at that length where I just want to like cut it off again because it's at that weird like little baby afro. It's not even a cute afro. It's just like a weird in-between length. But yeah, it has grown a lot. I have been sort of slicking down my little edges here, you know, laying my little baby hairs or whatever because I look like I have like a shaggy ass sideburn situation going on. So those girls get slicked down and tucked back. And yeah, you can, oh, there she goes. One popped out. You can see how long that's grown just in the front there. Now I will, like I said, will put pictures of my hair, you know, up so you guys can see from, you know, growing it, like, well, from it was shaved, like literally my sides were shaved bald. Like I think she was going to like a 1 or 1.5 guard or whatever. So basically almost skin, you know, skin shaved. And it has grown a lot, especially on the sides, because this is all new hair that has grown in. And yeah, it's past my ears already, probably down to my jawline. So she is growing. I haven't been doing really anything different with my hair. Like always, I try to leave, you know, heat off of it. If you guys need some tricks and tips on like how to keep your hair from being damaged, or if you have bleached or colored hair that's sort of, you know, on the iffy side like mine usually is, I do have some videos I will link up here on how to keep your color bright, how to keep your hair as healthy as you can when it has color in it or when it's bleached, because there are some things that you need to do when you have bleached colored hair, because that shit will fall out and run the hell away if you do not take care of her. So I will make sure to link that up there, so if you guys want to check those out, you can. But yeah, I basically have not been doing really anything different. No heat. Of course, I always wash my hair with cool or cold water. I've been using a lot of moisturizing conditioners and shampoos. Giovanni is my favorite shampoo and conditioner. Everything that I use, I'll make sure that I link it in the description box below so you guys can check out like my favorite hair care products. And yeah, I've just been being nice to her. I did press my hair out a few months ago and I recorded that. That's the first time I like pressed my hair out in probably 2 years. And that was before it's even grown out this far. I don't know if we're going to be doing that anytime soon. It's just sort of scary when you press your hair out and then you're like, okay, bitch, is she coming back or is she going to stay gone? Because my hair, like I said, is already iffy as it is because it's bleached, it's colored. I used to stay pressing the hell out of my hair. My hair was so damn damaged. I needed to shave the sides and stuff off because we put her through some stuff and she showed. Was taking like hair, skin, and nail vitamins and other things like that. I do occasionally take it. I'm not taking it as often as I was when I was first starting to grow my hair back. I don't know if that makes, you know, a big difference, but, you know, it doesn't hurt anything. But I do need to get back on taking those vitamins more often because, you know, that's just good for everybody, for everything, for skin, for nails, because, you know, I stay with my booty diggers. You know, she needs all the help she can get. Of course, trying to grow my hair back, so it's not going to hurt anything. It's got biotin and stuff in it. But anyway, yeah, so besides that, I haven't really been doing anything different. Like I said, I think it's this damn heat. This heat, my hair stays a little more moist, a little more wet in this humidity. I think she's just flourishing in this wet environment that is Texas summer. Just wanted to get on here, give you guys a little update. Let me go ahead and pull out. I actually have full-on ringlets on the sides. I don't think I had ringlets the last time I checked in. I think they were just sort of like little half twisties. But these are full-on, like, hanging. Look at that. They got hang time, ringlets. Like, look at that. Those are full-on grown curls. Like, it's just crazy to see your hair grow back, like, after you've shaved it completely off, how fast it sort of grows. I was expecting to still be super bald-headed by now because my hair didn't grow that fast. But, you know, I wasn't taking the greatest care of her. Well, I was taking good care of her, but bleaching her all the time. You know, just breaking off left and right and running away because bleach is, no matter how safe you are with it, it still breaks your damn hair off, so you have to be careful. I have full-on little ringlets now, and I'm just trying to get it past this stage, probably another like half an inch, and it won't feel so, I don't know, out of control. I have some stuff up here that's just sort of grown out, and I don't know what to do with it. So she just does what she wants up here. Definitely gonna need to get with Lynn and beg him for another trim. If he's in the comments below and you guys see him, beg him for me. Say, come on now, cut her hair. You can't have your best friend here looking like this. Like, help her out. Give her a little trim. You know, she's your best friend. Like, help her out. Make sure y'all harass him in the comments below if you see him down there. That's it. I just wanted to get on here and give you guys just a quick little hair update. I will make sure to pop pictures of where I started at, where I was, you know, 3 months, 6 months, and now 9 months. And also, you know, for shits and giggles, I'll go ahead and pop some pictures in of how damaged my damn hair was, because I was looking at pictures from a few years ago and I was like, no wonder why I never wore my hair curly, or, you know, I would put it in rollers and do roller sets on it all the time because the curls were just tragic. Absolutely tragic. Of course, I had different hair colors, so you guys will see some of those as well. But yeah, I'll make sure to post those at the end of this video so you guys can see where I came from and where I am now. I feel like I'm so grown up with these grown up girl curls, these grown up not damaged curls. Yeah, so there's hope. But anyway, let me get off this. I feel like I'm sitting here rambling. I just got off of work. It's hot outside. I'm crazy. I feel crazy. But anyway, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time.